strong and healthy. You should do it too. Come on, let's do it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do you feel nice and fresh after doing this exercise? Yes. Do you know the reason behind it? Come on, let's go. When we do breathe in, we take in oxygen. When we do breathe out, we release out carbon dioxide. Let me explain you. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Do you understand? The air we breathe has oxygen in. Oxygen helps us to make energy in our body. Remember, never too long breath. If you too long breath, oxygen can't enter and carbon dioxide can't go out. Let me explain you. It did not feel nice at all. You may even feel your lungs burning. Now you understood how important the morning exercise is. You have to do every day this thing. See? If you do breathing exercise, your lungs will be strong. If your lungs are strong, you can blow so many balloons. Playing with balloons makes us so happy. If you like my video, please like, share and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Please check the link given in the description box. In that video, you will find an easy way to do the breathing exercise.